What if you could read anyone? Instantly. Not magic, just psychology. Every person is constantly revealing who they are. You just need to notice. Nietzsche believed humans cannot hide their true nature for long. Time exposed people, but you can learn to see it faster. Start with body language. It never lies. Someone constantly checking their phone, their attention is elsewhere. Where attention goes, truth follows. A fake smile often hides discomfort. Compare behavior, not just words. Eyes reveal more than speech ever can. Nervous hands, that's hidden anxiety. Posture shows confidence or lack of it. Avoiding eye contact can mean discomfort or guilt. Leaning in shows interest. Leaning away shows resistance. Nietzsche taught people reveal themselves in small actions. Always ask, what are they really thinking? Tone matters more than words. Big gestures often hide insecurity. Actions always beat words. Hesitation reveals doubt. Confident people move with purpose. Over-explaining often hides something. Silence speaks loudly. Micro-expressions are truth leaks. Fast reactions reveal instinct. Delayed reactions reveal calculation. Nervous laughter hides tension. Mirroring means connection. Taking space shows dominance. Shrinking shows insecurity. Interrupting shows ego. Listening shows strength. Emotions reveal priorities. Watch patterns, not moments. One behavior means nothing. Patterns mean everything. The more you observe, the clearer people become. You don't need to speak to understand someone. Awareness is your superpower, but never judge too quickly. Reflect before you conclude. Memory sharpens perception. Patterns connect over time. And suddenly, you understand people deeply. Now you see what others miss. You read intentions, not just actions. And now, you can start practicing. Observe. Stay calm. Stay aware. Because once you see clearly, you can never unsee.